I was just sent these cream eyeshadows. These are so cool. They have like a holographic effect to them. This one's Tequila Sunrise. This is Moody Angel. So let's play with them and put them on. Okay, this is what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? So depending on how it shines in the light, you're going to get a different color from the pinks to the golds. And then Moody Angel is kind of like a mermaid. So you're getting that blues and those purples. Really pretty. So it says you can apply it with your fingers or a brush. I did bring some brushes here. So let's start with a little Moody Angel. And just to kind of test the thickness, I'm going to go ahead and use my hand. Oh, wow. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? That's so cool. Okay. This is awesome. So let's apply. Don't have any makeup on yet. Whoa, that like makes my green eyes really pop. That's so cool. This is amazing. So really easy to apply. Again, use a brush, use your finger. Look at that. And then you're gonna wait about a minute for it to dry. This is so cool. And then I'm going to put Tequila Sunrise on top. So you can definitely get a few different colors and kind of play around with your different color options. So let's try this one. I'm going to first put it on my hand so that we can really see what it looks like. So here we're going to draw right there. Okay, that one's a lot lighter. So I'm going to go ahead and get it a little bit thicker. There we go. So you can kind of see those really pretty pinks to golds, definitely more of a golden undertone. And you can see it's lighter than the other one. So I had to do a couple more colors on there. Wow, those are cool. All right, let's see how it looks together. And again, I'm just kind of playing around here. I'm not sure that this even will blend perfectly, but why not? Oh, this is so cool. Okay, I just love how these blend. Look at that. Might as well go all the way up, right? Ooh, fancy. So fun. You can just do so many different layers. Look how pretty that looks. Oh, I'm loving it. Or you could just do one color. You don't have to do all the colors. So we're going to put that there. That's so pretty. I just love how, like, depending on the angle, people are going to see either the gold or the pinks. That is really, really pretty. I love it. I love it. And if you want to do like thicker layers in there, you can always keep going. Like if you wanted to like contour a little bit more, you could just play around with it. And again, you can use your finger. Use that finger to blend too. So you can really play with this. It's so, so pretty. These are amazing. These are a lot of fun. I think I want it in every color.